in today's tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable speakers on your HP laptop, desktop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu and search for Settings. Best result, should go back with Settings here. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, select System, and then on the right side, select Sound. And then scrolling down underneath Advanced, select All Sound Devices, and then select your output device in question. And if you want to not allow the speaker or turn it off, select Don't Allow. And if you want to change your mind later and you want to allow it, select the Allow option. And you can also turn up the volume down here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.